Hi students, today we are starting with aerobic respiration, and aerobic respiration is the process where oxygen is utilized, and we are starting with Krebs cycle, or it is known as citric acid cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. The Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle is a series of enzyme catalyzed reactions occurring in the mitochondrial matrix where acetyl coenzyme A is oxidized to form a carbon dioxide and coenzymes are reduced. We generate ATP in the electron transport chain. Krebs cycle was named after Hans Krebs, who postulated the detailed cycle. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1953 for his contribution. It is a series of 8-step process where acetyl group of acetyl coenzyme A is oxidized to form 2 molecules of carbon dioxide, and in the process 1 ATP is produced. Reduced high energy compound NAD and FADH2 are also produced. 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are produced from each glucose molecule. So 2 turns of Krebs cycle are required, which yield 4 CO2, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2 and 2 ATP. Krebs cycle is a part of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a catabolic reaction taking place in the cells, and it is a biochemical process by which nutrients are broken down to release energy, which gets stored in the form of ATP, and waste products are released. In aerobic respiration, oxygen is required. Now we will see, this is the glucose and fatty acid converts into acetyl coenzyme A, and it converts into coenzyme A in the presence of citrate synthesis, and it converts into citrate. Citrate converts into isocitrate in the presence of aconitase enzyme and water. Isocitrate converts to alpha glutarate and release of carbon dioxide. NAD ion converts to NADH in the presence of isocitrate dehydrogenase. Alpha ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl coenzyme A in the presence of coenzyme A, release of carbon dioxide. NAD converts to NADH in the presence of alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Succinyl coenzyme A converts to succinate by releasing coenzyme A, GDP to GTP and ADP to ATP in the presence of succinyl coenzyme A synthetase. Succinate converts to fumarate in the presence of succinic dehydrogenase enzyme. FAD converts to FADH2. Fumarate converts to malate in the presence of fumarase enzyme by addition of water also, and malate converts to oxaloacetate and in the presence of malate dehydrogenase by releasing NADH by NAD+, and it converts into oxaloacetate, and oxaloacetate converts to citrate. Now one more time we will see citrate, isocitrate, alpha ketoglutarate, succinyl coenzyme A, succinate, fumarate, malate, oxaloacetate, enzymes, aconitase, isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, succinyl coenzyme A synthetase, succinic dehydrogenase, fumarase, malate dehydrogenase and citrate synthetase. Now summary, it occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. Its reactants are acetyl coenzyme A, which is produced from the end product of glycolysis, that is pyruvate, and it condenses with 4 carbon oxaloacetates, which is generated back in the Krebs cycle. Now Krebs cycle product, each citric acid cycle forms two following products. 2 molecules of carbon dioxide are released. Removal of carbon dioxide or decarboxylation of citric acid takes place at 2 places. In the conversion of isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate, in the conversion of alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme A, 1 ATP is produced in the conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinate, and 3 NAD plus are reduced to NADH, and 1 FAD plus is converted to FADH2. Now isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate, formation of NADH, alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl coenzyme A NADH, succinate to fumarate FADH2 and malate to oxaloacetate NADH. The two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A are produced from oxidative decarboxylation of two pyruvates, so 2 cycles are required per glucose molecule. To summarize the complete oxidation of glucose molecule, Krebs cycle eat 4 carbon dioxide, 6 NADH, 2 FADH2 and 2 ATP. Each molecule of NADH can form 2 to 3 ATPs and each FADH2 gives 2 ATP on oxidation in electron transport chain. Now significance. Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle is the final pathway of oxidation of glucose, fats and amino acid. Many animals are dependent on nutrients other than glucose as an energy source. Amino acids are deaminated and get converted to pyruvate and other intermediates of the Krebs cycle. They enter the cycle and get metabolized. Fatty acid undergo beta oxidation to form acetyl coenzyme A. It is the major source of ATP. It plays an important role in gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means formation of new molecule from glucose. Many intermediate compounds are used in the synthesis of amino acid, nucleotides, cytochromes and chlorophyll, etc. Vitamin play an important role in citric acid cycle, that is riboflavin, niacin, thiamine, pantothenic, etc. Regulation of Krebs cycle depends on the supply of NAD+ and utilization of ATP in physical and chemical work. The genetic defect of Krebs cycle enzymes are associated with the neural damage. As most of the biological processes occur in the liver to a significant extent, damage of liver cells has a lot of repercussions. Hyperammonemia occurs in the liver disease and leads to convulsion and coma. This is due to reduced ATP generation as a result of withdrawal of alpha ketoglutarate and formation of glutamate, which forms glutamine. Now it is 8-step process: condensation of acetyl coenzyme A with oxalate forming citrate and coenzyme A is released. Conversion of citrate to its side isomer, that is isocitrate. Isocitrate is subjected to dehydrogenation, that is decarboxylation, forming alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate experiences oxidative decarboxylation, forms acetyl coenzyme A. Then conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinate by succinyl coenzyme A synthetase enzyme along with the substrate level phosphorylation of GDP, forming GTP. Oxidation of succinate to fumarate by the enzyme succinate dehydrogenase. Fumarate gets converted to malate by addition of one water molecule. Malate is dehydrogenated to form oxaloacetate, which combines with another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A and starts a new cycle. In 1 ton of Krebs cycle, 3 molecules of NADH are produced. For complete oxidation of glucose molecule, Krebs cycle is 4 carbon dioxide, 6 NADH and 2 FADH2 and 2 ATP. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.